Hi, hello friends, welcome to my channel. I'm Jolene. I like to share all things beauty, shopping, decor, and more. And it's that time of year where I get really excited to share some holiday finds and some gift ideas. And I also love advent calendars. Now you don't always get your bang for your buck, so you kind of have to be careful, but I found a few that I felt that they were worth it to me. So I'm going to share one of them now, and this is from, I got this from Ulta, but this is 24 days of self-care. It's an advent calendar. It's not, it's more like skincare and self-care. So anyway, there's that, and let's get to it. Okay, friends, I appreciate you being here. I thank you to my subscribers. I love your support. If you want to hit the like button, subscribe, do those things to support my channel, I would love it. And I have a lot of fun things coming up, so I'm excited about it. I'm excited about the holiday season. So as far as the 24 days of self-care, this is what it looks like. You open it up, and I haven't punched any of these out yet, but anyway, here's what the inside looks like. And I'm just going to go to it and start with day 1 on here. And we're going to see what's in day 1. And we've got a, let's see if I can pull it out here. This is Peach and Lily, and this is a glass skin face polisher. So, I'm not sure exactly how you use it, but I like the brand Peach and Lily, and it is sealed, so I'm not going to open it yet. Can't really smell anything, but I have a feeling it might have a nice smell to it. So anyway, there's my first item. The second item is just a little tiny little opening here. We'll see what we got in it. Okay, in 2 we have from Ice Beauty. This is a ceramide moisturizing cream from Sunday Riley. So anyway, there's that for number 2. Actually, it's a really small container, but it looks like it's got a bit in there, and the cream just smells, well, it smells nice, but it feels nice. I love the texture of this. So anyway, I'm actually kind of excited about this. So this is a good travel size. So there we go. So number 3 we got here. We've got a boosting, it's called a skin, it's a booster. It's supposed to help with like breakouts or whatever. So it's just a small container. There's that. So for number 4 here, we've got, it's from Philosophy, and it's a dose of wisdom. This is a serum. This is called the Bouncy reactivating serum. So they say Bouncy is the new beauty, healthy beauty, whatever. Anyway, so never tried it, but I like Philosophy, and so there's that. And so now we're going to go to number 5. In number 5 we have, this is from Elemis. Love it. It's the Pro Collagen Marine Cream. It's just a small sample. I have these. I have backup of these. I use them. I love them. I like that this is a travel size. So some of these things are great products. So I like to throw them in my travel bag. I'm getting ready to go to Hawaii pretty soon. So I've got some new fun things to put in my bag. I have so many products right now, and I just went to Vegas, and I'm telling my husband, I'm like, it's so fun to pack because, you know, I go to my little samples and pack these, and anyway, it's like I feel like a kid in a candy store because I love this stuff. So number 6, we've got from Tula Skincare. This is just the, let me see if this is the, I think it's just the regular wash, the Cult Classic. face wash. I love this. I use this. This is something I use every day in the shower. And I have backups, but I'm really happy to have a small travel size too, so I can take that with me. So love that product. So that was number 6. Let's find number 7 here. And we've got, sometimes they're hard to find. Let's see. Number 7 is just a small little thing here. And I got, my nails make it hard for me to get some of these out. This is a face firming and moisturizer for the face. So another face moisturizer. I have heard of the brand. I like the smell. It's kind of a clean clean product. So anyway, I like the little amber container that it comes in. So there's that. That was 7. Okay, so for number 8, we have from COS RX. This is the 6 peptide skin booster. This is a hyaluronic acid serum. It's pretty good size. So that's number 8. And number 9 is another small little container here. We've got, this is from Strivectin, and this is a firming neck cream. Kind of excited about that. I like neck creams. I definitely need them. So anyway, small, but there's a bit in there. So anyway, we are going to use that. Skincare, self-care. And then number 10, we've got, right here we have from Hot Tools. This is a Pro Artist Textured Heat. It's a texturizing heat spray. So it sounds interesting. So I think you can use it and still use your tools on top of it. So I'm actually excited to try this. So that sounds like a pretty cool thing. So that's 10. So now we're going to get to 11 if I can find it. And 11 is, looks like this might be another thing. Oh, this is from CEO from Sunday Riley. It is a Sunday Riley product. And this is, it's a vitamin C brightening serum. So I love vitamin C serums. So Sunday Riley is a great skincare line. So love it. So that's number 11. Number 12 is in a big package here. Let's see what's in here. And it looks like we got some kind of a, okay, so we got eye. This is rejuvenating eye gels from Flash Patch. Never heard of it. I'm sure they're good. So there's that. 13. We've got down here, we have something from Murad. I know Murad products are good. This is, let's see what this is. This is a retinol. It says a Resculpt eye treatment. Interesting. Resurgence, is that what it says? I don't know. It's just what it looks like. I'm not sure what it's like inside. So it's just a little tube. So it's some kind of an eye cream. Really tiny, but again, something you could travel with. So there's that. And that was 13. So we're going to go to 14 here. And 14 is from Kiehl's. I know Kiehl's is a great band, but I'm tired of it. I've seen it, I don't know, a little too much. So this is the Truly Targeted Acne Clearing Solution. There it is. I don't really need this. I won't be using this. So that was kind of for me. But maybe a good product for someone. So let's head over to 15 and see what we got in 15. Right here. A little tube of some kind. We've got, this is from Peter Thomas Roth. Okay, this one, the one from 16 is Prep Rally. This is from Dry Bar. It's another just prep spray before you help comb out your hair and condition. I like the size. Again, this is a great thing to travel with. These are all small, so I like them. So there's that. And some of these I'm just going to put right into my travel bag and have it ready for Hawaii. But anyway, so that's 16. 17 is 17 is from Clinique, and I believe this is the toner. Take the day off. Makeup. It's a makeup remover. Okay. So anyway, I've heard of this. I hear it works great, so I'm excited about that. And so let's go to 18 down here. 18 is a tube. It's from Living Proof. It's a clarifying shampoo detox. So it's always, this is something you don't have to use every day. I like Living Proof. So anyway, that's not a bad thing. So there's that, the shampoo. And 19 is another item from Clinique. We'll see what this is. Looks like a jelly, probably is a jelly cleanser. So it's all about clean. It's just a face cleanser. Let's see. They call it a liquid face soap from Clinique. So I think these two could go together. You could use this one and then this one. But anyway, those are nice products. And I think we're at 20 now. What have we got in 20? 20 is a peptide cream from Lancome. It's re-energized peptide cream. So there's that. I know this is, oh, it smells good. It smells clean. Once again, clean product. This is from Laneige. I've heard good things about this. So there's that. 21 is, this is Dermalogica. So this is a charcoal cleaning gel. There's that. Yeah, so just okay. So I'm, you know, I like makeup ones better, and this is just all skincare. There's a few good items here, but some of them are kind of wah. It's probably not worth the money for me, but anyway, this was fun. I like, they had me on self-care. So anyway, that's 21. 22 is from Olaplex, and so this must be a hair product. Olaplex number 7. I believe it's going to be maybe a hair oil. These are so tiny, you guys. Yes, it is a bonding oil from Olaplex 7. Sorry, I apologize. I can't read all these, so because they're just so tiny. But anyway, I think I got this in another calendar, but I like it. I love facial oils. So I believe this is a facial oil, or is it a hair oil? This must be a hair oil. But I love the size. So, and it's a cute little bottle. So there's that. And 23 is, we're getting down to the end here. You got 23 and 24. 23 is from Belief Aqua Bomb. Okay, I've had this. It's a nice little Aqua Bomb. Anyway, I've used it. It feels really good. It's kind of like a gel, but it's kind of like a clear, creamy, lotiony type gel. So there's that. Just kind of a moisturizing product. So we're down to 24. What's it gonna be? I hope it's exciting. I'm opening it up, and no way. I'm not saying that in a good way, unfortunately. This is a Master Patch Intensive, another item from COS RX. This is a blemish cover patch. So blemish patches. There's 18 in here. It's okay. Whatever. I don't really need these that much. I don't use them, but for people who do use them all the time, it's nice to have another something like this. So anyway, there's that. Looking at this calendar, I don't know. It's, once again, let's see if I can close this. 21 days of self-care. I paid $75. It says a $285 value. Not for me. The value, I really doubt's there because they're also small. But then again, a lot of them are really expensive products. So even a tiny bit can cost a lot. So I can see where they might get that from. But anyway, it was okay. There's self-care items. There's a lot of travel size items that I will use. And so it was kind of, this is one of my wah. If you want to go, I have other ones I'm going to film that are going to be a lot better than this probably. If you want to see a really good advent calendar, go watch my Revolve advent calendar. That was probably one of my favorite calendars. It was definitely worth the money. It had some full size, and this one I don't think really had any full size except for maybe this might be full size. There's a couple that could be somewhat full. But anyway, so that's it. If you're interested in the 21-day self-care, you can pick this up. I picked this up at Ulta. So that's it for today. I'm going to go film some more, but I hope you enjoyed this video and let me know what you think. I'm just curious what you think about what I got here. So thank you for being here. I appreciate your support, and I will see you guys all in the next one. All right, friends. Bye-bye.